The last speaker of the Tech Talk session is Mr. Valan Siva Subramanian, Manager Systems Engineering, Fortinet.
I'm Valan, working as Manager Systems Engineering at Fortinet. So Fortinet is into cyber security. So our core area that we focus on is to securing users and customers' data. That is our core area of specialization. And if you look at security, is all about confidentiality, availability, and integrity. So these three tenets typically drive. So what do we say when we secure data? When we secure asset, it all is about ensuring these three components: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So in ensuring these three, there are enough of technology, like there are different ways organization or a customer could protect his data. So the traditional approach used to be it used to be whenever there's an issue, they see have a solution for it. So as organizations grew and different kind of business needs were there, they had to have their data started spreading, or just not at the end user system, not only at the server. Today you see cloud adoption happening in a very big way. So the message here is data is scattered. So when you have to protect certain thing, you need to really know where the information asset is, what need to be protected. So today the challenge that customer faces is his data is across everywhere. Actually, it's just on the mobile of the end users, of his customers, of his employees, on his laptop which they are working from home, on the servers that are there in a data center. And to even adapt to this cloud, this current epidemic, customers have started adapting cloud in a bigger way. So it has pushed us to a lot of changes. The digital transformation, whatever we have been anticipating, COVID has ensured that companies have gone for it. Definitely, they adopted technology and gone for it. But in the rage or at the speed at which we have to change, or the new business needs are there, we shouldn't forget certain basics. We need to always have this in mind, wherein whatever changes we adopt, are they secure enough? Will they really help me in the long run to ensure whatever transformation or changes that we anticipate in the long run, does it really serve the business purpose? So that is something which technology need to ensure. So traditionally in our space, if you look at, customers usually used to have perimeter security. Whenever they have connectivity to unprotected network like internet connectivity, they used to have all the security controls in place, like basic next generation firewalling, intrusion prevention system, antivirus gateway, web filtering. All this technology used to be there at the perimeter. That was the focus. When the data was there in the data center on-prem, and there were users were inside their internal network, they have a good control of their data and the security for them. But today, when the scenario changes and business needs are growing, wherein you need to be giving the liberty for business to grow, you need to let people know the flexibility to work from wherever they are, customers to access this information anytime, anywhere. Today, e-commerce businesses happen even at midnight, right? People are announcing sale. So their service and application should be available anytime, anywhere, with the same kind of performance. So today, technology, what was ensuring a traditional security in a data center, can still protect data wherever it is, be it from the end user's mobile device, on an endpoint, or the medium through which they connect. It could be a wireless medium. You could have a secure connectivity. You could have, instead of having a just plain wireless access, you could have a secured wireless access. Instead of plain hardware connectivity through cable, you could have a secure LAN access. Same way, when the applications are on the cloud, you could have a secure access to the cloud, instead of letting it insecurely accessible for everyone. So when B2B businesses had to ensure they expose their data, and for their growth, when they have to provide or make use of all these means, it could be earlier people used to have secure MPLS connections to interconnect businesses, or their head office, branch office kind of setup. But today, when they have to securely connect, they have to make use of this medium. Like today, we are seeing connectivity is a major challenge, and broadband is being used effectively in a bigger way, and it is enabling business. So the ease of broadband availability is something which is the benefit of it. The con side is the kind of threats that used to come with internet connectivity. So you need to secure. So you need to make use of all these technologies, at the same time ensure security. So security-driven networking is another aspect which could ensure. So we are talking about security at the endpoint. We are talking about security at the access layer. We are talking about security at the cloud, also at the networking layer. So today, technology has ensured security can be across, right? Given a broad coverage. It may not be only if the user is there within the network in his own corporate network application to be secure. When it's accessed from outside, there should be a level of security which is slightly lesser than what was there when the applications were internally hosted. So today, technology is available which could give broad coverage of security wherever the data resides. And today, technologies can interoperate. So the essential Fortinet's approach towards this is, we have a Fortinet Security Fabric offering, which is all about providing a broad security coverage, an integrated approach, and detecting a threat and addressing, resolving it, and also having an automated way of managing the kind of threats that are there. So we have a broad gamut of solutions which could address this effectively for businesses which have to do B2B or B2C, any mode of new business model that is evolving. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.